Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva AI for image generation. So if you have an account, log in, but if you don't, sign up. I'm going to sign up for this tutorial. Go sign up, and I'm going to continue with email. You can use your real email, but I'm going to use a temp one for this video, and just put a name, and you'll get a code sent to this email. Just give it 1 sec, and here it is. And you just copy that code and put it into here. And there you go, I've logged in, and I'm going to go maybe later and just click small business and maybe later, and skip. And now you have logged in. So now how do you do the AI image generation? So you want to go to a YouTube thumbnail, or just a normal, I'm going to do YouTube thumbnail. And now you just want to click one. I'm going to click this one here and use this template. Oh, actually I can't use that one because it's pro. You want to make sure it's free. So if it has these pro signs, you can't use them because you have to pay for the subscription. But this one here I can use for free. And there you have it, I'm in here. So now you want to go to the apps and add it. So here's a few other ones: Brand Hub, Upload, Text, Draw, Projects. But you want to go to apps here, and you want to search image to text to image. So you want to click text to image, and now you just want to type something. So I'm going to get rid of all this here first, just so I can have a clear background. And there you go. So now you just type whatever you want. So you can write anything. Like you can write a dog running in a park, a cow on the moon. Like you just got to write stuff, whatever you want to write, depending on why you're using this. But I'm going to write cow on a moon, and let's see what happens. And we're just going to make it a square, and we're just going to give it a minute until it generates. And there you have it. So we can go to this one. This one's pretty cool. But yeah, we just designed that within a few seconds, and we let AI create that, and that's pretty cool. So let's just have a look at a few more what we can write. And you can have different styles. You can have retro, anime, watercolor, photo, dreamlike. Let's go dreamlike and write. Let's type. What can we type? We can write a cow on a building or something. And create again. So it didn't really do that one that good, but you can see it created these cool images. You just probably would want to write a better description so it could have a better time trying to make the photo. So let's give it another shot. We'll go to Filmic and write zombie running around. Let's see what happens here. So you can definitely tell that looks like a zombie. And same here. It looks like a zombie. Well, let's change the styles to none and see what happens, and go create again. Yeah, see, this is going to produce better results. So you want to make sure the style suits the photo that you're trying to get. So if you look at this one, you can clearly tell that's trying to make a zombie run. There's a few like errors, but like this is just a AI. Like it's pretty cool that you could even do this. Same here. In the future, this is going to be big. I can just see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you just want to put a photo that you like. And you could do anything like this. Like you can, if you're trying to make a YouTube thumbnail, you could go put it like that. And then you could just write text, get a nice text or font, go here. You can write the end of the world. And you can go like that. And you can either change the color if you want it to black or white. I'm going to put it white. And I'm going to make it have an effect. Maybe pick one that you like. I'm going to use that one and change the intensity. And you can just move it to where you like it. But this is just a quick example on what you can do if you want to make thumbnails, if you want to make graphic designs, if you want to make patterns, if you want to make patterns to sell on Etsy. This is a great tool. And now you want to click share, download, and you just want to save it in JPEG or PNG depending on what you want. I'm going to use PNG and click download. And there you have it. I just made a YouTube thumbnail if I wanted to. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked that, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.